Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for deep learning. Today we are going to see the simple example for Resnet 50 from the scratch. That means how we can achieve Resnet 50 for image classification. Since all of you have idea about image classification and Resnet 50. So Resnet 50 is one of the successful deep learning model were developed by Microsoft research company in the year of 2015, and moreover it's one of the powerful model and consists of many advantages. So once come to the point of ResNet 50. So before going this, understand the Python coding here about this basics to here. So generally ResNet 50 comes with a major advantage that is called skip connections here, and then the ResNet 50 architecture consists of by default 50 layers, and the ResNet architecture consists of four parts. One is called that the architecture consists of four. One is called convolution layer. Another one is called the identity block. Another one called the convolution block. At last, the fully connected layer like that only. Because once you want to achieve the image classification, we need support of ResNet model 2 here. And generally, ResNet 50 utilized for the image classification tasks like object detection, facial recognition, and medical image analysis too here. Then you have idea about Resnet 50, and Resnet 50 play the major role. That means once you develop, if you want to train the predefined task anything, you need support of Resnet 50 because support the skip connection. The skip connections are generally helpful to avoid the gradient vanishing problem here, vanishing gradient problem here. And then if you come to the point of image classification, that means you here assume that there will be a single image. It is already uploaded in the G drive, and we can achieve and predict the given image. That means visualize the image with the probability of this ResNet 50 here. So if you want to achieve this one, we have to follow the general thing. That is, we have to initialize the packages. Then step number two, we can define the functions, and step number three, we can predefine the ResNet 50, and step number four, we can give the connectivity for the coding, and step number five, you can go for test and training, and then finally you can go for the visualize the output here. So if you want to do this, achieve the image classification, that means view the single image with the help of ResNet 50. You can import the packages like import touch from PAL, import patch like that. Then define the transformation. You can run the image like transform dot v size of 256 followed by center graph of 224, and then you can write the coding where it helpful to ImageNet class. Follow the fetch the data from ImageNet class labels, and we can write the request through download the class label. Then we can convert the response text, and you can load the pre-trained ResNet model, and you can write the code called models equal to model as ResNet 50 or predefined 2 like that. Then we can set the local image. That's why I told you. Here I have a image sample image of beach here. So I'm writing the code and give the connectivity. So after giving the connectivity, you can write pre-pass the image, and then you can go for forward the everything through the network, and predict the one, and then convert the predict code to the probability using the softmax here, and the fully connected layer is responsible for view the output here, and then we can go for the display image with predicted class and probability to here. For that we can write the code called plt dot IEM show of image. Then we can give the title followed by axis at the show. So once given like this and execute the coding, we can view the output. So that is the beach image where concept of predicted as sandbar probability is 0.5889 like that. So this is one how we can achieve ResNet for image classification. So like that we can give various images, and further our future we can enhance our upcoming session. I may helpful to show the multi-class identification. Suppose your data sets like there will be a data set of animals like dog category, cat category, parrots category, and so on. That also we can identify with the help of this kind of concept here. So I hope that you understand what is ResNet 50 and why we need support of this ResNet, and what is the use of the ResNet and everything. If you like the channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.